Okay, so we have here. So what cook up here now? Oh, not ready yet.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, I see them fresh.
I can't touch.
When you see the eyes, they know them fresh. So you have the steam fish over here.
Glass.
Well, steam and ready.
Ready to eat.
Ready to eat. Festival over here, kicking.
Share you out now.
No, you first. Oh, can I edit it?
Yes. Yeah, so basically, what's the social media? Give the social media.
Okay, guys. You can follow me on TikTok at Trending Fashion. I think it's 03.
You think you should know, but I don't want to think.
But Trending Fashion, guys.
Trending fashion.
Yeah, from the go party to now go see my face, like.
Yeah. Oh. So give them the spelling of Trending Fashion, just in case. No. No, sir.
Okay, guys. This is Trish. You can follow me on Instagram at Trishana TRISHANN with 3 underscore.
Step out to the market, and I get more money to the extraordinary, ordinary, legendary, ordinary. Get us to the fucking up cherry. Quick go down my dogger berry. Anything, mix with that spirit. Step out to the money to put me the outside. Kill up the fucking on them outside. Just for the quick business, we should try. Just for the business, we don't time. That's expensive for your man now. All your people have a red card out from him block. Kill him bleach out. And him come out, him reach out.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. You know, today I'm down here by Orange Street, you know, passing through to give iBus Spice a link, you know, because today is official shop opening, you know. Oh no, look at this bird just shit from me. Can you believe that? Look, this bird in there. Bird just shit from bird shit on me. Look at, imagine that. Look, I'm wounded. And right on my shirt. You birdies. Let me get some wipes out my car. Can't believe that. Alright, so I clean up a bit, you know. See the pigeon them there. Shit, let me walk underneath this pavement here, cause I'm not gonna let you do it again. Yes guys, so Uncle, how go on? So I guess the furniture is not here. How go on? Oh, there's some washing. More side. But everything I go on.
Still going on as usual.
Yeah. Okay, so you start work on the Chester jar already?
Just buy up the board and
Oh, you buy up materials?
yeah.
Okay.
Not so much try as much.
Oh.
So now I'm going to I'm on the side.
Yeah.
We soon get it.
So the next one we say that I got spray it yet?
My next. Something.
Yeah.
I'm big one of them on the spray it, but I'm sprayed and I let it off, you know.
Oh, them are then spray it?
Yeah.
And them are gonna sell it? Okay. Not good. So we have to give them a percentage?
No, I look some breaks in them, you know. The man has sprayed for me.
Yeah.
Over that side there. The okay, go store man and pay the money next to you.
Okay.
And pay cheap, but you have to just take it here.
Oh, so we're gonna sell it to them across the road?
No, don't at all.
Don't at all. Oh, so them are gonna do it for you. Okay. We'll give them a little change for it.
Store man now gonna do nothing more than around 20.
20. Oh,
Two of them board, they are not the real natural board, you know?
Okay.
Like them.
Oh, like,
I don't like them board.
so these are the one you just purchased?
Yeah, when more use, make your thing. See that?
My thing is I make for sale. And you buy some more material here and take more boards. Okay, but at least you get that spray now and
Yeah.
they're gonna sell it. I know this is not here. Usually I'll be right here.
See next one about that.
Oh, you have one more there.
I want to go to.
Yes. So at least progress of the money they work out and the kind of help, right?
I go on, man. We make sure buy up the material there, man. City everything after goes on.
Yes.
Material, nothing can go.
Nothing can go on, yes. And we give thanks, you know, we're grateful for our extended family, you know, that reach out and help.
Give thanks and praise what you done for me.
Yes. Well, it's the Almighty, you know, so He work through us.
Work through you and,
Yes.
you know, so done things for me, so
Yeah.
I have to give thanks and praise to the
Yeah.
Most High and give you respect.
Yeah, and for the persons that donate to him, you know, we help out the situation. So at least now, it's across the road, they got it sprayed. So the man them across the road now have a more market, so they're gonna get it sell, you know, and then he's gonna give him a small cut of getting it sell for him, you know, and buy some material as you can see. So it's gonna start make another one again. Keep
Give
spinning.
thanks and praise to the Most High was send you here to me. Give me help, you know.
Yes.
Rest around here now and go on, you know, them like we see one
Down. Yes.
We have to fight the struggle. Yes, I know.
I'm glad I could do a little, you know,
we give
no matter
you
how
respect.
small it is, I could do
Give
something.
you respect.
Yes, man.
Forward, man.
Every time, man.
Power of the most high.
Yes,
Love that, you know.
I just continue to see me, you know. So I keep a check on you and I say, the more you do it, the more someone will see you. And you also inspire people to know that you still carry on the journey same way. And they will like what I go on and try to reach out
The
same
most I
way.
send you for a special purpose, you know.
Mm-hmm,
I just saw the earth one.
Yes, I.
Yeah. You see, I want to check for one and help one. I'm going down and can't manage, you know, so I need help.
Yeah.
Isn't it? If you don't get no help, you can't go nowhere.
No.
You sit down every day.
True.
That, you know, that
True.
might technology, but you need machinery and them things. If you have machinery, a different thing.
So we use just your hand?
I'm use and borrow people standard.
Okay.
Standard. I know mankind from.
Yes. So you have the skills but not the tools.
Yeah, the tool, not the tool. You don't want to bother them. You just rather use me hand.
Yes.
Scrape.
And scrape it.
And sand it.
The old time days.
That was same way though. It's nice and pretty, but
Yes.
sand and all move faster. Hold pan and sand the board.
Yeah.
You know, smooth and nice, quick.
Yes. I get you.
I love side though. We have to love.
I'm gonna say within time, you know, I'm gonna say the Almighty send us for a purpose, so you never know what will happen when the Almighty.
To give thanks and praise.
Yeah, every time. You know, man.
Yeah.
Continue your part, uncle.
Great,
you know.
man.
Yeah, man. We give thanks, man.
Great.
So, guys, I'm gonna say he's on his journey doing what he's supposed to do. So.
Yeah, great, man. It's a great thing.
Yeah, man. We'll give thanks. Well, I'm glad that we can do something that's the most thing we should do. Help out each other.
Like help people, you know. And
Yeah.
man, them are around you, them not helping them most criticize.
Yeah.
You know, it's if I'm for them good thing, them just criticize and lavish and care about you.
And the greatest thing, you know, from you have life and have the faith, you know, and you keep on visualize the better will come.
The most I make sense when you consider about you.
Yes.
To help you. You need help.
So no matter the time of the year or the time of the age, you know, you never know when it's gonna be.
We give thanks to what you've done for me.
Of course, man, of course. I will give thanks to the Most High, you know, so we give him all the glory. You know, we are just playing our part as the servant, you know, to one and all.
Help one another.
Yes, for one and all. Love and love alone, man. That's all we see, you know, is love and love alone. While we're here on this universe, we live for love. We're here today, tomorrow. Yes.
Help people, but we can't do so. Without no help, struggling go down the train, see
Yes. So we leave a good footprint. Alright then, take it easy, yeah? So I'm gonna check Ibo Spice because today I'm opening. So we're gonna see what's going on upstairs.
I helped him carry one box here while I'm going to carry box heavy like
Sound box.
like some material thing and
Oh.
and then they come like when you go Vietnam war.
Okay.
Box
Heavy.
around 8 when you have a child.
Wow.
You put it in there. Let me say
That's real evident.
first thing you ever look so heavy.
That's real evident, man. Alright then, yeah?
Yeah, no
So
respect.
guys, yeah, man, so yes. Never be inside. Show some vibes. Yeah. Alright then, guys, so that is it. So we're gonna check. Yes, man. And check Ibo Spice and so I go on. So hope so everything is nice. Ibo Spice 131 Iron Street. Ibo Spice. Well guys, well. So you know the thing goes already, you know, I just buy Ivo Spice. So to shoot it, getting preparation, you know, the setting up and everything, music playing. So, you know, I say I stretch my legs, come by the waterfront, then I will head back up there when time everything is kind of organized, because there's a lot of moving around going on as well too. You know, so I would just stretch my legs, come getting some of this vibration down here by the waterfront, you know. So, you know, sometimes it's always good to come get a peace of mind, you know, stretch away from everything, you know, and I like to bring that to you also as well too, my viewers, my extended family, my lovely subscribers, you know. So I thank you guys so much for always supporting me on my journey, you know. So I like to give you guys this vibration, you know, down here by the waterfront. You know, for those of you who cannot get no chance to get some of these, get the tranquility kicks in, you know. So I'm here by the waterfront stretching my legs. You know, while I'm stretching my legs, I have to get my third eye out, you know. So the third eye out, so this is what you're seeing from my third eye view. You know, people as usual fishing, you know, on the waterfront here. You know, the thing goes already, man, fishing and everything. Lessons, my brother. You don't catch anything yet?
No, not yet.
Not yet, just that.
Yeah, it's the real fisherman.
Yeah. So the real fisherman catch anything yet?
No.
So what the difference with him and you?
More experience, so I'm more likely to get something.
So kind of real fisherman. He's a fisherman just like you, man. Because I see him thing when I try to catch, right? Fish. Definitely. We use it as bait.
Bait.
What that sprat? Fry sprat. Gotcha. The real fisherman, you see? By looking at him, his years he's been fishing. Tranquility. Life is nice, man. Life is nice. As you can see, life is nice. Well, you know, life experience is sweet, sweet, sweet. Life experience is sweet, guys, you know. So. So guys, if you're coming to Jamaica, you're looking somewhere to stay, like here in Kingston, down by the waterfront. You know, them also have the hotel The Rock, who is also AKA Hilton, you know. So you can go and Google and you'll also find it as well too. And you know, and there's some Airbnbs, you know, also right next to The Rock as well too. And that building, I'm not quite sure the name of it, you know, but I got a contact number for one of the hosts, you know, that runs the Airbnb as well too. So if you're interested, you know, you call, I can give you the number as well. You can call them and say, oh, Kino gave you the number, you know, if you feel like to come here and stay by the waterfront whenever you're in Jamaica, you know, come enjoy this nice peace and quiet, the tranquility, you know, of sitting by the waterfront, you know, taking in the breeze and everything down here. So cannot go wrong, you know, by chilling, sitting by the waterfront, watching the fishermen fish, you know. And you can come yourself and try to catch some fish if you have any luck by catching any, you know, it goes. So I guess most of these men just having no fish today. None. There's something up on it? Big shark? No big shark. Guys, you know, I don't know if you hear about that news with that young man that got eaten by shark, you know, here in Jamaica. Imagine that. There's a plane just touching down over there. So that's the airport you're looking at. Oh, let me walk this side. I'm walking in the car park there. Walk on the street side. Yeah, so but I'm gonna also head back to Ibo Spice to get myself something to eat, you know, from Ibo. Get one of them vegan food. You know, it's very nice, you know, very nice. Ibo Spice food is very nice. When you tried it, you're not missing anything at all having Ibo Spice food. So that is the rock that I'm telling you about, you know, rock aka that is Hilton, you know. Right next to it over there, that building, you got some Airbnbs up in those buildings as well too, you know. So I'm chilling. Alright, so you know, this is on the next side of the waterfront. So you got two sides. One side over there and the next side over here where you can come and relax. So So that's the building where they got the Airbnbs as well, because you know D and also Coca Girl stayed on that building over there, because they got some Airbnb rooms over there. So if you're interested, you know, I got a contact number for one of those rooms over there. I think it's for the front one, but they got more than one, you know, more than one floor it's on as well too. So you can also let me know and I can reach out to them for you to get a room. Listen to the sound. Trying to be strong, but I'm not getting any better. Alright.
Yeah, man.
50.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I got there. Yeah, the thing up. Alright. How the place here?
Culinary, you know?
Oh. I'm there with my family, so I'll come link you. Yeah? So we're ready for you to kind of go yourself.
Oh, yeah, the man.
Yeah, what's that, man?
So ready,
Ah, take him there.
God. I've asked this man. The man is put me up on the video, man. YouTube. It's all put me up on as a video.
I circle him already, man.
Yeah, I circle my man up at that.
Yeah, see if him down there.
Yeah, come on the finger now.
Yeah, I'll check him and see. Well, guys, you know the thing goes already. You know, I'm here for you from the title. You know, I take my sister, come by Hellshire, you know, and Jamie is here. Yeah. That's it.
We reach a Hellshire. I don't know what else to say. Bless. I come to look for daddy man. That's up, bro? Yeah?
Will you come to Hellshire?
I come to Hellshire, yeah.
Yeah, she's speechless. You know, So it's been a while we haven't seen Daddy Man, so I just pass by to see if Daddy Man is there as well too, you know, while we're here. You know, bringing her to have the Hellshire experience. You know, Hellshire is known for its food. You know. Yeah. You right? Yes, I. How you doing? We shop open. Come and big it up then now. Open one stop.
Yeah. One big up the shop.
Blessed. Fire latte.
Open one stop. Nice steam fish festival bami. Roast stew fish.
Yeah.
Everything you think about. Lobster, conch, seafood. Everything you think about.
Huh? Yeah, cool man, big up man. See there? At the one stop man. Hope you are open?
Yeah man.
So that means I hope everything will be alright.
Yeah man, a pound of fish for 2,500. Like
fresh.
4 pounds is a 10,000. A bami in a festival $11,000 that.
That sounds like a good deal.
Good deal that baby.
Good deal.
And a pound of lobster for 2,500. You come, you pick out your fish, you wait. You see your weight.
Yeah.
Your price is there.
And you get your flavor. Fresh.
And to my daughter there.
Hello daughter. Daughter hope. She eat. Well they always eat. Where you swim around. I could never chicken.
So my nice decent customers here.
Hello. Nice decent customer. Hope so we have here. So what cook up here now? Oh, not ready yet.
Yeah, nice decent.
Well, I see them fresh.
Me can't touch.
When you see the eyes, they know them fresh. So you have the steam fish over here?
Glass.
Well, steam man, ready.
Ready to eat.
Ready to eat.
Yeah.
Boil up.
Simos.
So you have the bami here, fresh.
Yeah.
Festival over here, chicken.
Share you out now, Simos.
So guys, remember when you come Hellshire, we need to come check out Opie's. You know, get everything fresh.
You all suck on it.
So Opie's pure family in here?
Yeah, peer family.
Your family, I like that.
Family.
I like
Your
that.
family are 15 years old, now I'm 63.
Wow.
My grandson and everybody there.
So this is a generation shop then.
Right.
Generation for the future, so you know how it goes already. So it's in the family.
Right.
See that, and you are the
second chef.
the second chef, which is
Sure.
Opie. We are related to her as well?
Yeah, my uncle baby mother.
Oh, I see that pure family there. So once you come in the family, if you now work, you must get work. Right?
Right, that's what I'm saying.
Right, you see everything fresh, I clean everything clean, keep frying natural wood, as you can see. And then I make the fish taste good as well. To the
That's
natural
what I'm talking about, that fish. D-trick.
D-trick.
Simos here, so silence.
Peter farm, so hope you tell them where you're located on the beach.
Shop 31, open one stop.
One stop.
Paint in a blue and yellow.
So once them come, them keep down over find us ask where
And my number is 351-6435.
I mean, so they know they can't miss. So they call if they don't know the direction. Just call her so they know so they can't last. So the nice thing fish are motor road and water. What damn? Motor road and water. Yes, okay. For years they do it and still strong on the legs.
Right.
Are the fish do it?
I'm 18 grand.
18 grand?
18 grand pitney, Papa.
That's a lot. That's a big generation to carry on this. So that means they have a mansion on the beach and then later on from now, upstairs restaurant and downstairs as well too.
I will build one down at the bottom down there, so Papa.
Okay, see that. I mean, open man, don't stop trying. Right, open?
Yeah, man.
So I'm going to check that man, you know, we're going to circle you.
Alright,
Big up yourself, yeah? Yeah, so. Daddy man! Debo man, answer one time. Awa! Awa siya. What's up? Daddy man!
Kino.
Oh, go on.
Yeah.
Now put in your work. Think you're gone a bush.
No, me just come.
Oh, you just come back?
Just come one bush and me get 2 fish now.
Oh! Eh?
I fish 2 line down a bottom and look some bait.
Which part? Down by the...
Where me I use still.
Oh, so it's a stay at the front and throw it out.
Yeah. And you see the Owen? Somebody come last night and I said, wait, are you a Kino friend? I said, yes, man.
I'm my sister this, you know.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, my sister.
Daddy Irie.
Daddy Irie. Yeah, no, follow you, man.
Yeah, man.
See there. Daddy Irie kids them this year. Right here.
I'm my Daddy Irie them there.
Yeah, man, see them. The amount of fish bone and fish pan this.
Come, Chip. Come.
Who them sheep?
Come. Where Chip name afraid of you?
Them
Come, Chippy.
Normally I'm more than this, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, what is the one here, Chip?
Yes,
Chip.
Chip.
Chip. Look on him. Look on the people them.
Chip. Say hello, Chip.
Hello.
Chip.
That's fine, now look. I wonder what is so nice
Nah,
and
pay me no
cool.
mind.
That's him.
Come, Chip. Afraid of people.
What's the one that's Kino?
Yeah, man, there's a lot of them.
The game just cruise.
There's a lot of them, Daddy man.
Only for them, man.
Yeah, it's always more than that. Just.
Cruising.
Yeah.
Boy, come here. Come. Alright, be yourself. Come, make people see you. Make people see you. Read the camera.
Yeah.
So you're the fan?
They are pass through, bring their family, come check out, you know, the place.
Oh.
You know,
So now buy fish and so?
Eh?
Yeah, over Chrissy them?
Sure over there?
Yeah, man. Reds.
Hello. And I share somebody else. Someone else. They are pass through, man. So all the hurricane deal with you?
Look off your stop there.
Look at that one there. Oh.
I have big soil, but me not get no help right now.
So a year one that? And a year one that?
Only if I know, but it's a my little place. But the man, right? Like you know, auntie again. Yeah, so
Oh.
so, can't be
I want bill right there, so. Spicy the white door.
The girl, let me make bill one toilet.
Okay. That's
So
good.
I fix the boat now, but the money not there to finish it.
The boat though. Okay. So let's go and do it for the see me till when time you know the Almighty is gonna bless you.
You see it.
Just don't lose hope, you know. And all the faith, same way Daddy man. You know the thing as usual.
Me and the daddy are up on my gate there.
Yeah. And you paint it up and thing. Daddy Irie. Work in progress. You know?
Big up man.
Keep your posted same
Go
way.
flash down there.
Yeah. Alright. I always like that spot here, you know? The view and everything. Yeah. See? Okay, look, water. Look how nice this is, guys, right here. So it's a lovely spot.
That is salt water. Yo, this is it.
Yeah. Come on, always watch. Nice.
We ever come in here? What's that?
Charlotte.
I'm 100% virgin, so nice. Yeah, glass up. Yeah, see me shine.
Yeah? Yeah, run us.
Everything different.
Go over and see. Over here, I'm get them. Yeah.
I'll try to do something to it. Nobody not here.
See, that's true.
So maybe my things, more than you and the Empress are low. Nobody like one another word. Up on the rock and tell me where your eyes.
Like the whole of them, man.
Everything different.
Yeah.
This is some Hellshire shell. Seashell. This is our parents used to use in a school. We up on the ground and burn each other.
Yes.
You remember it?
Yeah. Remember what name?
Donkey eye.
Donkey eye. That's it.
I'm gonna have some Ethiopian tank with the hands of Hamas that protect from evil with a King David star in it. You don't know what Jamaica is.
Jamaica is straight. I was like, hustle, you know?
Cool, man.
Never stop.
One day say
Never stop.
beating and showing the youth.
Yeah.
Beating and showing the youth themselves, you know. It's better than more than stretching out your hand to beg someone. Because guess what now, no? When someone is going to give you money and you give them back something in return, it's a balance. So you know, say in life, when you want something, just try to have something to give.
Sure.
Because people will be satisfied with you know, say, satisfied not to, the youth them mind nowadays.
Yeah.
And them don't know what is appreciation.
Sure.
So satisfied and appreciation and give thanks. Three major things.
That is it. Give thanks.
Yes, I make sure I have a blessed
Please, it's quiet today, you know, because usually we get loud music and thing, you know. So it's calm today, it's peace and quiet today. What a nice, clear, clean and pretty. But today I'm not swimming. Today is not my swimming day. Today I don't feel like swimming. So I'm not gonna swim, but the water is nice. Water is clear, clean, you know, everything does look well good. We're gonna do race.
Huh?
We're gonna do race.
No, we're just having fun. Can we come? Oh, right here is good.
Yeah, if you wanna come. My channel name is Kino Life in Jamaica. I'm on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you're vlogging?
I'm vlogging.
Okay.
So if you don't mind being a vlog.
No, just once I look pretty.
Where you ladies from? Where you from? Spanish Town too?
No, I'm from Kingston.
Jamaican girl.
It's so good there while we're up here.
Come up here then. Come up here. But if you can manage your walk. You can walk right here, so here. Come on.
Right here?
Yeah. Come. Take your time, step up. I swim, I walk, I walk.
You can't swim.
What else?
It's donation.
Step. Just walk, look up here, stand this here, look my right here. So. Come one by one. Oh, you're good enough, man. Come. Come then.
We have to go compete, my God.
Step right here, sir. Oh God. No. Alright, listen, just step right here, sir. Yeah, just step. Water clear, you know, so you can see. You know, drop man. Give me a hand, come, give me a hand. Yeah, don't try me, dog, you know. Come. Listen, look. You see here, so it's clear. You can walk right here, so look. Don't you see clear? Yeah, just hold on the rock. You see a pure sign here, Stefan. And I saw giant. Come. Just come right here, so. Hold on upon them two right there. And just step right here, so. Nothing out there, you know. Come, just step right here, so for the stone.
You can't manage it.
Come, just step.
Don't let go.
No, let go. Why you want to step there, so? Yeah, just step right there, so it's easy. There you go. Well, of course. Professional. 1 year. More than one. Take her 1 year to come up. Finally she reach. You're gonna send a shout out. Yes.
Okay guys, come in. No, you first. Oh. Can I edit it?
Yes. Yeah, so basically, what's the social media? Give the social media.
Okay guys, you can follow me on TikTok at Trending Fashion. I think it's 03.
You think you should know, but I don't want to think.
But Trending Fashion guys.
Trending Fashion.
Yeah, from the go party to now go see my face like.
Yeah. Oh. So give them the spelling of Trending Fashion just in case. No sir.
Okay guys, this is Trish. You can follow me on Instagram at Trishana, TRISHAWN with 3 underscore, and you can follow my TikTok at Trishana as well, TRISHA 3 underscore, and you can like up my pictures. What I post on TikTok is like you know, my face video, my dancing video, Penwa girl.
Oh, so not a dancer.
So yeah.
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Please do subscribe to Kino Life in Jamaica, guys. Please
trending fashion. I guess you sell clothes. What you sell on your sell clothes and everything? Actually, it's a trending fashion.
Well, it was, but I stopped.
You stop.
Just still keep the name.
Still keep the name trending fashion. Full of
And
style.
you know, at Shoshana, you know, so when they hear the Trish, you just know they'll put in man that, you know.
Yes, sir, the man that.
Yeah, you see everything from my IG. When I go up to TikTok, you see everything. I just
Drop. Show.
Drop.
Show something you drop to.
No. Yeah, if you have a look at song, can I put a look
See, you know the thing, every time I come in, I have to come to Cobb Rise.
See, them here roast one fish there in the fire and see it.
I have fish in the fire, roast.
Yeah, and that's that.
And that,
Natural.
so tell them how you sell the fish them now.
Yeah, right now, we just give them a price deal. They just choose a fish, and we tell you where you go with a festival, bami, plantain, steam fry, roast, brown soup, curry, and we have lobster.
Oh. Okay, so you don't want a fish. You don't want a fish though.
Yeah, but you don't have none else though. No.
Lobster.
Lobster not really carry no meat night.
That's a great fish.
Yeah, it's the fish funny, one small one. I'm funny with, yeah. Can't get carry, can't carry it.
You me want fish too?
Should I eat fish?
Oh, should I eat fish?
Should I have burger? Them pinny are different, you know.
Oh.
Them pinny are burger, chicken and chips or something.
We have another fish as well, so put that one there for him.
No, they're not talking.
Yeah, so that's them two fish then.
They're not talking. What you want with the festival bun?
Yeah, festival.
Frying, that's all. Yeah.
Lobster is small.
And that me I tell him so nothing in there.
No meat in that.
And that me I tell him.
Your shell.
Hey, sorry here.
I'm gonna deep fry the sauce and get it. Put it in that.
You go bad man, respect. You go bad man, I do fish. Respect my general. Okay, we had to roast something.
Fry mine.
We have to fry our steam.
Fry.
Fry, yeah. Let's go beach, on the beach.
Yeah.
So we do. You get the Esco beach.
So we prepare it, yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
What kind of wood that?
You call it mango.
Mango.
Yeah. Special wood,
Special wood.
Fire stick, get it cut.
Fire stick. Yeah, correction. Fire stick. Yeah. You know Jamaicans stay already.
Yeah, you know they don't bash things up. Yeah. Things change.
Yeah.
Burger.
Right, this is
You see it?
My cousin.
You man can do burger up on the beach.
So like how them are going to prepare this, you know, and go get it and come back?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't find them. No, you're not let my thing. Yeah. You have to do everything.
To go and document it. You know how much feed.
You know me walk with this.
Yeah, that must can buy too. That can buy, man. That's you have too much.
Alright, so the man, the Rasta man, the roast one doctor here, so you know the thing, roasting doctor. So the fire here, getting ready for the fried fish. And then it goes down, so 2 fried fish here. You know, having 2 fried fish. So I guess, see, I could position I eat fish as well too, you know, so getting a fish for the little one. Getting that prepared. So right now guys, you're gonna see how they prepared it, ready it up, you know. Yeah, go with that, go on. See with the eye look on eye.
Yes. Right there, that's the water. Put in the fish, and you must have it clean.
So no fish there when you catch today?
Yeah, fresh fish man, so I stick every day we get
every day.
Fish man. Fish is myself fast in at this time.
So you can brush it up the creek.
Yeah, wash him up and all. Hold him up like so. I mean, re-wash him and scrape him, get it all like debris, they might come off of him. And you can scale line up with the back. Yeah, take him off. As I say, no say food fresh and clean when you get it. Nice. And you go and you wash him again. drain off. Spice now.
Adding the spice.
Yeah, adding the spice.
Okay,
To make it go and soak. It go and nice up. Yeah, soaking up.
So adding the spice
Yeah.
make everything nice.
Everything nice and sweet. And Hellshire Beach, you know. Can't eat no fish that nice and sweet like Hellshire Beach and Festival, you know. In a one go.
One. Not two, not three.
Yeah.
One go. Alright,
Mama
mommy.
left on the live, you know. Live up on the...
Mama this?
You know, yeah, right now.
Mama love, come on.
My mama, don't worry no more. Fire.
I'm going to chop some up. Fire. Yeah. I mean, just go roast it. And I fed that roast them up. It runs deep.
So long now you over here doing roast?
Became a tailor. What about years?
A lot of years over here.
A lot of years there. Yeah, we over here. We live here.
Live here?
Yeah, we live here. So you don't know, so we are ready to go there. Because yes, we live.
You live on the beach too?
No, we live up top side the beach, little bit.
Oh,
up top side.
Okay.
Yeah, because we have a scheme on the boat today.
Okay. So I notice you have people live on the beach.
Yeah, man, you have some people live there. Fisher people them. That's why fishermen them. No. That's why people you can see a morning time, eh?
Oh.
And night time, eh?
Okay.
That's why they add it through night pot. Keep it burning.
Yeah, it's as clean as you go.
As you go. So people come as you go.
Clean as you go. That's one thing I always like, the place always clean.
I have to clean, man. The food I do it.
I notice me always eat here every time I come here.
You never know what else. If it's clean, that's it. People come and see the kitchen. Clean. Things practice.
Yeah. But I forgot to start get other shop support as well too.
Yeah,
you know?
Yeah, you have to test them.
Yeah, I forgot to start share the love. I can't only come to Crab Rise.
Yeah, you have to share the love.
So I have to go and share the love. So you know,
the
next
love,
time I come here,
yeah, you can't test
I'll be going
shop.
to a next shop.
So you know what's going on.
Yes. So that's why I'm going to put one to the test.
Yeah. See what we say about that one. But you know, you can't beat this thing. I will cook the breakfast.
Yeah, we go. So that's why I'm going to put it to the test now.
Alright? Put on that.
How long is it?
For what is this?
No, for our chicken burger.
20 minutes. It's going hot, it's not hot yet. It's going to
yeah. Big fire. Redder than red. Colder than cold. You're fishing in the ocean. You make a motion. Them say you can't take the heat.
Go in the kitchen.
Go stay in the kitchen.
The kitchen have to what? Fire burn.
Fire burn.
You look on them fire. You don't get them all that place, you know. I know people are there just to put people in on the kitchen. Fire to them.
Yeah. You just see the coconut oil and it blaze up more.
Yeah, they don't have to do that kitchen and everything down. Some people might think it's a joke into it. It's like a joke, man.
Blazing.
Yeah.
Ever blazing.
Ever blazing. Yeah. Ever blazing, guys.
So boy, if you can't tell, eat, don't go in the kitchen, because trust me, the eat in here is real. Really.
It's like it
Nah, man, so planting now. Cook them in style.
Yeah. And nobody know what to do with them. Nothing I have to know what to do with them. Yeah. You see it? One pan cut now so much pieces. You see?
Yeah. Thin rice. Bunny.
They look pretty and fair. Is that ready yet?
Pretty, I don't know belly to go. Yes.
Just like that.
Don't know belly to go.
And we just easily pick up 1, 2, 3.
Big up big stick,
Yeah?
Then I
Yeah, man. Big up.
Well, yeah, chef, man. Yeah, man.
I'm learning all of them, man.
Oh, so you're the teacher?
I'm a teacher, man. Party of the day, I do chefing,
Rocky.
Yeah, man.
Party of the year, in here.
In here. Yeah, man.
Okay.
People from foreign know me and come down.
Yeah. There. So the teacher chef this, alright, master chef. So we're there with the student then, right?
Yeah.
Alright then. So that was your master chef, right?
That's the door, yeah.
So this is the door now?
Yeah, that's the we mix the door and put it up and everything to make festival.
For the festival.
Yeah, so we have the door. And when you make it like how you see this time, it now like so.
Roll it.
Roll it up and do it in the pot. Become festival.
Pretty up the pot, pretty up the pot.
You can roll it. Then we use the finger.
Stretch it out.
Stretch it out. Then you drop it in the eye like that. You go see and blow.
Yeah, it's not. A friend of mine called it carnival.
Not carnival, it's festival. Original. And it's from Hellshire Beach straight, no other straight.
Yeah. Do you know why they call it festival? Why they call it festival?
You didn't call it festival?
And not dog fried dumpling.
No, because a different making.
Different making.
Yeah, don't make like fried dumpling.
So why they never call it carnival?
No, you couldn't name carnival.
So
carnival is an event.
So festival is also an event?
Festival is a fry event, not a
is there? Okay.
dancing event.
The festival is a fry event.
Everybody come and love it.
Yeah.
Fall in love with the festival.
So hear that guy.
So come and say they never matter the fish like the festival.
That's the
festival
festival.
is so nice.
For the fry event.
Yes. For the fry event.
Hey, so carnival is for the dance event.
Yeah, if you do your chef cook out or book out or one night, if you not do no party or anything, yeah, you can come higher way, we do them thing there too.
Same way.
Same way. And I said style again, said cooking, not no change.
Not no change, same way.
Same way.
Big cooking, used to that.
Everything again, same way.
Used to that.
Easy like that.
And this is festival, not carnival. So this is festival is frying, carnival is dancing.
Yeah, dancing. This is festival. This is eating.
Yeah.
And consume.
Consume.
Let me tell you fish, them pretty, and right. You're not going to see fried chicken though. This is a fish and the pig. Not that. You're not fried, but it's sexy. But them pretty. That's the only way to Hellshire, so we can come and get enough fish. Don't bother watch the people that may get overboard. Just have it in a tune.
Yeah.
If we find the right shop in there, we get the right price. But if we got the wrong shop, we get the wrong price. So you have to shop around.
And tell them where we at.
We're at Cub Ride, one stop, right in front of the tower. Every day.
Cub Ride.
Yeah. Every day.
One Cub Ride.
One Cub Ride, no other one. One Cub Ride, no other one. And then come Rogo the chef.
Rogo the chef.
Rogo the chef, original.
Rogo that.
No nose, not no bogo. Just real Rogo. And they say Rogo mean riches. Go with the riches.
Rich in life.
Yeah, rich in life and health. That we can never do good things for. It's really nice food. And come and lick my finger and want to come back. Do more and more.
Rich in life.
Yes, man.
Oh my days. See, festival coming out.
See? I'm pretty. Nice. No, I don't want to right now to eat, you know. I know.
It's more than 2.
Let's get you live and go on. Just mark the place.
Yeah.
See? How we do it?
Put it on the plate.
Yeah. Then we get other plate and plate it up with dish out.
So them say what's that? Parrot fish?
Parrot, snapper, doctor, Rentman.
So what's in the pot now is parrot.
It's parrot.
Parrot.
Fry plantain with festival, no carnival.
Them so when they eat parrot they talk more.
No, when they eat parrot they get stronger.
It's stronger.
Not talk more. Parrot can't talk. I mean the fish can't talk in there. That's a phrase.
That's a phrase.
American they love parrot and they come any parrot fish? Any parrot?
Yeah.
Because they know you so that fish.
You know Jamaica say, they must say you can chat some and away eat parrot fish.
Parrot fish, that's Jamaican slang. You know, you don't know we're full of pattern and style, you know, so. You can't get you out of it because we create them.
Yeah, I tell you.
You are really creative.
Because you can chat some and away eat parrot fish.
Yeah, man. Kitchen hot, you know.
Well, you say they can't get...
Eat in the kitchen for you
Don't stay in there, because right now I'm boiling, guys. Look.
Right now.
Boiling in here. So imagine doing this every day. For the whole day. And imagine on a busy day. Just imagine on a busy day.
Whoa.
The heat turn up. On a busy day the heat turn right up. Here in the place them now, putting them started, planting coming out. Ready.
Yes, I'll take a video of each other. Live that in I really look on it. That is it.
That is it.
One go. I'm doing that now with us. So these are about the fire, the pot of fire for a moment. I'm going to fry it right now. Action and solid us now. Yeah. Go on.
Yeah, man. I called over there and I asked you to about bro. They end up spin with. Over there, man. Right, I feel them already.
Ready. Big up. Ready. One more thing to do. Chef up the food. At the table.
Yeah.
Wipe off. The sauce and napkin. Just
see there. God chef them in the building.
They want steamers, brother. One steamer.
Alright guys, so, you know, we just done had our food and everything, you know, so we're gonna head back out and all of that. So you know the thing goes. So until then, you know the thing with that. Remember to always hit the like button when you're watching. Smash it. Smash it, smash it, smash it.
Good morning. I said good morning. Be polite. That's right. It's a lovely night. We are saying this is the new exception at Friday Night Live. Live music in the city. It's Dancehall City. Father Reed Entertainment Center. This is a new inception. We're adding this to the calendar. So everybody knows, on a Friday night, you want live music, live real talent, this is where you're gonna be at. You want dancehall, you go dancehall Fridays are first Fridays, but when you want live Fridays, this is it. Rhythm up. Whoa, red, no, cross, Henry, living forever. Yo, while I'm in the building, when I'm feeling, here now, tell them I'm running a car. Tell them from you and the girl them until the end. All of that. If I shall think she bought them, follow me over. Don't take her down and this and the whatever. Don't see that I'm not doing different than tomorrow. Let a friend that get one fever. Not a best give me a feel for she borrow. Don't know me who you, how it has a go. This are the eagle earth is this warrior. We come on. Yo, from the barn, no man never turn around. When we go out the street, happy a girl we go meet. And we no keep boyfriend, no we no him na the boys so man. You think of that? Oh, we no war, no man fearing no we fear. John think you on the music. Send me rid of them now. Oi! I'm going to want a whole pump drive on that. Friday night live, look into my eyes, tell me what you see. Am I your enemy? Give us a little way. Take a really time, he only wanna know. Culinary, what house? See you all the house. But you cannot give me no originality. But I shall take everything because of the quality. It's a good of your pleasure to be quality. I know the girl must have no me personality. Go off for it, don't big up for nationality. Give me the money, but we don't bow with quantity. Tell a fussy will go winning us. Pressure me moving on the professionality. Moon up for your partner, put for me some vanity. Cocky the yacht. Random! Give me up! How are you? What out? See you! Make the caliber with my true! I'm good. Run them. Aye! When me say run them, no repeat, me no reverse. Me put them in the hearse. Cross, angry, me is a rebel. Yo! Friday Night Live! Don't sound sickly, cause we ain't going anywhere right here. How are you? Walk out! Save you! Must go! Well, God no stick any stick a shot us. Some boy too friendly. He have become Ben up and Bentley. Cross. Batman no pretend. One to them. Batman bitches and bitch. One to some snitches and fishing bitch. Friday Night Live, man a Batman so me up. Can't tell you a road. In the past TikTok. In the past YouTube. In the past Facebook. In the past Instagram. In my Suno. Who's the Gaza? Step out to them and get more money to the money. Extraordinary, ordinary, legendary, ordinary. Get us to the fucking umbrella. Drink cold on my rubber berry. Anything, mix with that berry. The party in on the top and the outside. Kill up the fucking on them outside. She's on the top, people should try. Just on the distance, we don't tie. More expensive for your money. I like people in the red card from the block. Till him bleach out. And him come out, him reach out. Hey, kill. We're going to working. Send me to them. Father Reed. When I'm no about Studio Mix. When I'm no about Superpower King Jamis. Kingston 11. Come here, let me rebel. Jungle. Still run down far from the roof to the wall with the drums in the wall. Every girl love the killer with the ball on call with the ball on top of the wall. Killer. Nobody in the minute. general of all control. Every bitch be so scared. See now they think me the general. Can't let me press the foot for your man and ass. That's all you can say no no. Say no run on shot with this. Put your claws in the heart. Can't let me kill up with a shot out ball. Sexually speaking, what did they fight with in the morgue? He had to come up in my love song. Hold up. Stop it. Calm down. Great. Like the vibes. Like the energy. See, Father Junior Reid, he's a great musical influence of mine. When I was a little boy, first time I took a microphone to DJ, I forgot my lyrics. I just end up a sing a Junior Reid song. I don't know why. I know lots of other songs, but the song will come out of my mouth. Woman making waistline roll. He said woman making waistline roll. Put one hand in the ear like a TV pole. Just an belly and a booty just a roll. Well, like a people get out of control. Sha-la-la-la-la-la. Fuck, I don't know the shit that come out my mouth, but that was the first crowd reaction I ever got in my life. And that shit sparked my fire. I want it again. I need that again. And I never stopped from that night in Riverton City and Kingsville Sound. Big up Father Bongos. Big up Father Junior. And the man his name was Jeffrey Spencer. So we always give honor and homage. I don't know about that flower shit to do, because I'm not in a garden, I'm in a world. So I give people their honor and their homage. I gave what deserved. If you deserve it, you get it. So that's me. Father Junior Reid is a father of this game. Alright, and then one of my favorite Junior Reid was a song called J-Lo's Rock. That was before he even burst big. I don't mean to sing that the Father Reid, I'm going to sing that one day. But me I tell you, one song named J-Lo's Rock, when we are little you, see my father, my brother, my uncle, my cousin, all my peers being locked up and in jail. When Junior Reid said J-Lo's Rock, we don't want to go to jail. So big up Father Reid, great inspiration. That's why we there tonight. Anything him say, and that we say. And him have him entertainment center, no boy no more in entertainment than Junior Reid. Big up the legend, big up the Godfather, big up Firehouse. Cross the gully with their cuddle bed. I listen to Studio Mix and beat way before King Jammy's rise up so powerful. We used to hear Tubbies, then we hear Studio Mix, we always hear Junior Reid and then Chorus and Chikatimus and all the people across the gully and mash up the place. Until the man come and color bed. The man used to wear jeans and Felucci before they were Gucci. You, Felucci jeans. When I was a little boy, I saw the singer and Felucci jeans, because the Rastaman, a real top man. Oh, you see your back dress? Back when I bugu, you got big old black Joseph coat, something a sexy jeans. The girl of the city sexiness, and that superstar and Superman, run with him now. History lesson done, badness now. Ras. Mr. Badness and the man is gonna love him. Love it! Love conquer the world! All who love the girl and say, yeah! Tell them love! How are you? All of the girl and say, how are you? Waterhouse, see if you got the ribbon and color the man. Yeah! I can see more. She's standing there. See my coming a dream. For people the way they see him. Sorry for treat you bad. Girl, and you never made me sad. Didn't mean to get so mad. She's the best thing I ever had. It's so next! She say that she's leaving all because of not receiving. Ladies, slowly remember. Rodney, with a song for the ladies. And it goes something like this. There's something wrong with me. Every time I'm alone with you, you keep talking about me loving me. Hey, girl, your whole place has blown my mind. Why don't you stop all these talking, girl? Why don't you stop wasting time? 'Cause I'm my share of lovers, and some of them don't go on. If you think you can turn me on, tell that is that you know thinking. No! The girls them like it slow. Chop up the girl them. Whip you with one on a wall. But that's my girl. I got my biggest shoes times 13. I'm gonna work it. Kino, slow down. That was slow motion. Let's get in more motion. Ready again. I got things to do. Cross. Hey! We give the girl them slow, but we never give them low. All of the man over the girl them shine and glow. Boy, come and run out of woman and rock, and let's make rumors about Chili's heart. Me not hear them. Come and read them up. Oh, liar. Come to the king, can't set them, fire them up. I only pick them and run for one boom boom. Well, I tell the girl them, me no place for kids. Tell me, Stammer. Look at this. What's some boy to do? I was my bad man and I wear tight pants and I bleach out them face and man. Well, I can't believe how dirty man gets so old. Can't believe some rest of them that come fast you old. How did they could take out them get so cool? One job, never let no problems get so cold. Pull up, man. There's your bounce me half beat, then you play back with all. Cut to the next beat. Don't make me get cross, angry. You have to know when you bounce me half beat, you leave that and go on. You don't drop me off of the beat and then try to put me back. Yes, play that. Level. We survived the catastrophe when you were not burning on our children. I'm very shitty my girl, we need to know. The Lord is my light, my salvation. Pull up. Cause someone don't know if it's celebrating. Yes, when we are talking about the Almighty, the earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof. And we are the bearer. When we are chat about the land and the earth and the university, careful on the spirit come out on the big dirty idiot, distracted mind, soulful my God, no. One day when Dr. Barry come here, the Lord Jesus, more your Lord Jesus now, read him up. All who say the Lord, all who say God, all who say Selassie, all who say Almighty, all who say Allah, all who say whatever. God, life for the greatest, who give? Listen, the Lord. Who should I fear? No evil one. We watch through the valley of the shadow of death. Fear no evil, fear no man. The Lord is our light and our salvation. So by the rivers of Babylon, where we shall go, and then we will sing up.
Carry us away captivity, require from us a song. How can we sing King Alpha song in a stranger?
Before them say call, them say devil. That's why them lies so miserable. So them just say this I'm not the devil. He make this world be compatible. Some are praise Vatican 24/7. Don't know the man making the earth on the level. He will make his sunshine. Second to say, I see earthquake and storm. Danger goes home. Lightning and thunder. Let make you frightened. Volcano and lava by your out on yonder. Man, all of fight them brother to get title. Why it start with Cain and Abel? Get more life right in the brother's table. Is it thankfully has got disciple for them see God? Them seek the devil. That's why them. Honey that. Well, mama she's not in a God mood. Keep asking to me. We love you. Father Red. Don't sit it. Friday night live. Put it on the calendar. See you. You're my sister.
Whoa! I told you about seeing you gone. Not nice. What is that? Not nice. Not nice. Not nice.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.